Hello guys! Today I want to talk about something very different from what I've been doing with my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm holding a football. Do you want to know why? Because 감사합니다. 감사합니다. We need to help each other. Okay. Because 뭐였더라? 저 사람 때문에 까먹었어. Because I want to introduce one of the Netflix series, The English Game, that I recently watched. What pops into your mind when you heard the title, The English Game? Yes, you're right. It's all about football. I don't really do review video, and also I haven't done any at all in my life. But with this one, I was dying to, let the world know as much as I can. I mean, I only have about 200 subscribers on my channel, but still, mouth-to-mouth advertisement is the best way of spreading information. I learned that from the uni. It's not just because I love football, but the story itself is very intriguing since it's based on the true history of football. Actually, many of my friends have been requesting review videos, but I was like, okay guys, I'm gonna do it. I just need a little more time to prepare for it. In the meantime, I was like, the enemy was saying like, why do they want to see the review video? They can just watch it on Netflix. How easy it is. Yeah. But now I do know why they want to see the review video first, because they want to taste it before they actually eat it. I'll make it as brief as possible and as less spoiling as possible, so stay tuned on till the end. So the title of this series is The English Game. You can imagine how popular football was back in the days by its title, right? And this story deals with how unorganized the Football Association was and how they improved and changed, which has a huge effect on how football is run nowadays. Speaking of which, nowadays football players are being paid, right? Legally. And like most of the players from Premier League, they are paid a lot of money. Fergus Suter, the main character of the story, as well as the real-life figure, was the first ever professional football player. And why is that? Did he invent the football or something? No, he didn't. He was the first ever person paid to play football. Suter was famous for his talent in Scotland, and Walsh, the owner of Darwen Mill in Lancashire, paid Suter so he can play for his team, Darwen Football Club. Arthur Kinnaird, the president of Football Association, was the biggest rival of Suter. But they ended up being good friends at the end. Arthur Kinnaird played double with weaker players. He had power, fame, money, and everything, but no kind heart. Do you guys want to know how Kinnaird changed and became good friend of Suter? Then you should watch it. Sorry guys, I need to go home right now. So I will continue filming at home after dinner, okay? So bear with me. Thank you. The reason why I like this story is not just because I love football, but there is something more in it. First, love and hatred in this story is super dramatic and intense. It's got different types of love stories, such as mother love, family love, friendship, love between couples of course, and love for their hometowns or countries. The hatred between weak and the strong is so tense as well. Strong people, they say, they do whatever they want for their own advantage, but never listen or help the weaks. So the weaks try to let them listen, so they protest. But do you think they did hear them? Yeah, of course they did hear them, but they did not listen. Just like how the world is nowadays. I'm not being sarcastic, but I'm being rather realistic. There are more stories like this apart from football matches, which makes it extra intriguing. And secondly, I love seeing people overcoming their own hardships in their life.
그냥 그렇다고.
And by overcoming it, they become a better person. or they learn something. And thirdly, I really enjoyed catching various camera movements as well as the lightings. Some of the techniques in this story imply that there were strict divisions between upper and lower classes back in the days. For example, when Kned and his wife Alma are seen on the screen during the day, the lighting is so bright, like super bright. On the other hand, when Sutter and his girlfriend are seen on the screen during the day, the lighting is obviously darker. I'm not saying they did it on purpose, but I'm just saying that's how I see it, so you don't have to second my opinion. Everyone has different views, and I respect it, and I hope you respect mine too. I really wanted to tell you the whole story throughout the whole day, but I want you to check it out. It'll be a lot more fun if you watch it. Not everyone will like it, but I'm just saying I liked it, and I hope you like it too. But I don't mind if you don't like it. It only has 6 episodes, which I could finish in a day, actually, or a day and a half. Yeah, so try that out if you like. Thanks for watching something that's not rather enthusiastic compared to my previous videos. So see you later.